Hey guys, Adam Frimmer here from DIYPhotography.net. We're back here at the Sennheiser booth with Simon. He's going to show us about this cool little microphone he has attached to his lanyard.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zion, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
Hey Simon, what's up?
Hey, welcome back, Adam. Good to see you.
So what is this?
Right, basically this is a memory mic, and we brought this to the market just over 12 months ago, and it's really for people who are using smartphones who want actually better audio quality effectively, but it's not a Bluetooth mic or anything like that. It's actually a microphone that's actually with a built-in recorder, and so we have a dedicated app, and you pair the two together, and then you can put this on anybody or wear it yourself in your shirt or something like that, and it has a nice little neat magnetic clip.
Yeah, I saw you had just pulled it off of your...
Absolutely. So it makes it really easy to attach to anything, so you can just attach it to my shirt like this, like that, and then it allows you to record as many scenes as you like in a 4-hour period, because that's the maximum amount of recording time you actually have on the device.
So we have internal memory.
Yeah, it has internal memory, yeah, absolutely, and that gives you the 4 hours of continuous recording. And basically, once you finish doing all your shooting or shots, so it can be one continuous shot or lots of different small clips, you bring it back to your smart device, and effectively, once they're reconnected together, it'll open the Wi-Fi and connect to your Wi-Fi on your phone and link, and then basically, because it has a synchronized time code between the two devices, it'll automatically sync all the portions of recorded audio to your video clips and automatically syncs them up for you.
So if I understood that correctly, you don't actually have to match waveforms, you just...
No, you just bring the units together and the app does it all for you.
That's incredible.
Yeah. So you can do 10 1-minute shots or whatever it is you've got to do. You haven't got to worry about syncing the audio in post-production. Just bring the device together and it'll automatically sync, and you're ready to send out your clip to wherever it wants to go.
You mentioned this has a little Wi-Fi. That means it sends out a Wi-Fi signal.
Yeah, it links. What it does is it links to the phone via Bluetooth, and that's the initial setup. So what it does is actually sort of syncs the clock in the device with the clock on the memory mic itself. Once it's done that, it runs time code, which actually syncs with the phone. So effectively, there is no sort of radio link between the phone and this device while it's recording. So there's no range issues, there's no interference issues, and it can be used worldwide. So
that's awesome. So how exactly do I get from there to my phone?
Okay, so all you have to do is, once you have the device and it's paired, you'll have a little green light here. You go to your phone, and in the app you'll have your gallery of all your shots. All you do is open the shot that you want to sync the audio to. You'll get a message that basically says, do you want to sync the audio? You say yes, sync the audio, and then you'll just get a little sort of time thing that shows you the progress, and it takes a few seconds to actually sync the audio to the clip. Once that's done, the clip stays in the gallery until you decide to send it via email or Bluetooth it to somebody or whatever you want to do. So the process is extremely simple.
And this is a Sennheiser app?
Yeah, it's a Sennheiser app, and we're also working with app providers such as Filmic Pro, because obviously a lot of people use their phones and use apps like Filmic Pro, and so obviously we have that, or working on that integration at this moment in time.
Cool, and it's seamlessly integrated. Sennheiser is an integral part of the app?
That's correct, it is, yes.
Wow, very cool. I'm sure a lot of people will be happy to get their hands on one of those.
Yep, nice and easy to use, very simple, and gives you much better audio than using the microphone that's on the phone itself.
And how much can we expect to pay for this?
They are $199 or euros, pretty much, yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Simon, for having us again.
Thank you.
This was Simon at the Sennheiser booth at IBC 2019. I'm Adam Frimmer from DIYPhotography.net. Don't forget, we're giving away $5,000 worth of cinema goodies. Read more about that in the description below.